Welcome to Mid-Century Metal Sculpture 101. And you might be asking yourself, what's this mid-century business? Well, that was exactly my question. And what's happened is that the sculptures that were popular back in the 50s, 60s, and the early part of the 70s, once again, they're popular. Rather like fashion, what goes around comes around. Now, I'm not personally too endeared with this mid-century term. Makes me feel pretty old, which I guess I'm getting that way, but they could have used a different term. Yet, these are exactly the types of sculptures that I used to see at art festivals and in department stores. And I'd look at them and I'd think, yes, I want to do something like that. Now in this video, we'll be focusing on cut nails. And cut nails are, number one, I'd forgotten how much fun it is to work with these. I'd be laying out a design here and I'd get something I like and I'd think, yes, but if I would do this, or if I would do that. So in this video with cut nails, we're actually just scratching the surface of what you can do. Cut nails are also inexpensive. They're good clean steel. They're easy to braze. And most of the pieces in this video will be brazing. Now towards the end of the video, we'll be doing a large sculpture, and for that we'll be using some gas welding. These are cut nails, and as you can see, they're flat. These nails right here are 2.5 inches long, and this is fairly common for the construction industry. They use these to adhere different types of material to concrete and concrete block, and these nails are hardened. Now because they're common, you can probably find them at your builder's supply or a good hardware. Now, once you get beyond the 2.5, probably have to order online. And these are 3 inch, 3.5 inch, and 4. Some simple designs that you can do with the cut nails. For example, to braze these nails together. And one trick right here is that if I put the brazing rod right down on the nails, I'm going to move them out of position. Oftentimes when you're brazing, you put the brazing rod right on the metal to be brazed. But in this case, I don't want to move those nails. So what I'm doing is getting the nail heads so that they're red hot. And now I'm going to hold the brazing rod about 1/8 of an inch above the heads of those nails and just let it drip right in there. We'll start off here with something very simple, and just using the segments of 3 nails, putting 4 of those together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like the looks of this. Cleaned it up on the wire brush, and as you can see, with just a minimum amount of effort, got a nice wall sculpture. At this point, there's even one more thing that we can do to add depth. Just take every other one and raise it up, probably about 1/8 of an inch.